Jacqueline here. I'm going to be showing you how to make a Dutch baby pancake all on your Green Mountain Girls ledge so you're ready for every special occasion weekend. If you're looking for the perfect Mother's Day breakfast recipe, this Dutch baby pancake is for you. I'm going to show you how to make it on the Green Mountain Girls ledge and also how to do a delicious cream cheese whipped cream. Let's start off with the pancake batter. I have half a cup of whole milk, 3 eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You want to make sure you bring your milk and eggs out about an hour before you make this because we want our batter to come to room temperature before adding it to the hot pan. It will help it rise better. Give that a good mix, and then the dry ingredients are half a cup of all-purpose flour and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix that all together. We want to make sure all the lumps are out. You could also do this step in a blender. Set it aside and let's head outside. I have my grill at 150 right now. I want to add my cast iron pan in now before increasing the temperature. We're going to bake this at 425. We want our cast iron pan to be smoking hot. Once the pit is to temp, add 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter and then that pancake batter. Close your lid. This is going to take 16 to 18 minutes to bake. Now up for our cream cheese whipped cream, 3 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1.5 cups of heavy cream, 1/3 cup of powdered sugar. Give that a good mix. After about 16 minutes, our pancake is done. You see the edges rise up. I love to serve it in this cast iron pan. Once it's cooled down, top it with some whipped cream, fruit or berries of your choice, and you have to include a little powdered sugar. This is so delicious. It looks great on the table, and it's the perfect recipe for that special mother in your life. Enjoy!